रज़िया मशकूर 12 and 10 नया एपिसोड विद नन अदर देन बॉबी देओल रिकॉर्डेड है। मैंने उन्हें क्वेश्चन भेजे थे और उन्होंने मुझे आंसर भेजा है। तो and why I am questioning him, because he has been completed 25 years in Hindi films. So क्योंकि हमारा रिकॉर्डेड है, मैंने क्वेश्चन भेजे थे, उन्होंने आंसर भेजे हैं। मैं जल्दी जल्दी उनसे क्वेश्चन करूंगी ताकि वो अपने शूटिंग पे वापस जा सके। So my first question is, it has been 25 years since you made your Bollywood debut as a lead actor. How was it when you bagged your first film?
It was amazing. I mean, I always wanted to be an actor since I was a kid, and my dad launched my brother in Betab, and it's every father's dream to launch his son, and especially when my dad is from this industry. So when my time came, he was already planning on launching me. So when the time came, there was a lot of work that went on scripting, and Shekhar Kapoor was supposed to direct my first film, but we even shot for 27 days, but Shekhar Kapoor got an offer to do Bandit Queen. So it was his choice. It was a big opportunity for him to do Hollywood film. And my dad said, doesn't matter, you do your, you have an opportunity, you go ahead. But my son's career is important as well. So I will choose some other person to make it. And eventually, Raj Santoshi became a part of the project. And Raj had just finished Ghayal with my brother. And he used to be always in the office. And he used to always, wish that he had a chance to direct Bobby and Twinkle in a film, So I think a few days back we were talking about it, and he was joking that मैं कहता रहता था और भगवान ने मेरी सुन ली और मैंने तेरी पहली फिल्म डायरेक्ट की. So that's how the film.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. My second question is, why did you think Barsat was an ideal film for your debut?
See, in those days, it was every time a star child came on the screen. I mean, first film was being made. It was more like a showcase of his talent. So when Barsat was being written, it was all about my character being able to do action, dance, romance, and emote. So that's how it was planned. That's how the whole story was written, with all these points in mind. And it took a while before the subject was ready, because it's not that easy to, get the right kind of subject. It's always a lot of work that goes into it. So that's how it was worked on.
I remember Twinkle Khanna also made her debut with you in Barsat. Was it relatively easier to work with a newcomer?
See, I was a newcomer, so I would have never known that how it felt to work with a newcomer, or someone who's already been in the industry. But yes, definitely, we were both starting our careers, and we were both very raw, and we had no experience as actors, and so definitely it was more easy to understand each other when we were approaching the way we approached the work. And yes, we used to get nervous in front of our senior actors. There was Danny Sir, Rajji, there were so many other actors, Mukesh Ji, and so it has been. It is. Being nervous is a part of you as an actor. Even though I've done so many films, I've been in the industry for 25 years, I still get nervous on the first day of the shooting. It's a part. It's just how you feel the day of the shoot.
Interesting. Do you feel lucky that you got launched in time of no social media?
I don't know if I'm lucky or unlucky. I would never understand that part, because when I was starting off, social media didn't exist, and so I would never known how it would have felt, because I still don't understand how it works right now with social media. But I'm not so well versed with it. Yes, I am part of Instagram and Twitter, but I have to move with time, so I'm a part of all this, and that's the new way of approaching your audiences and your fans, and being in touch with them. So maybe it would have made a difference. Maybe things would have spread more faster, as it would have been a faster way of advertising the film. So maybe it would have made a difference, but I have really no idea.
Okay, so would you say there is more pressure on newcomers nowadays with social media?
more pressure now because there's more people trying to get into this industry. You see, our population has increased so much in every industry, besides not just our industry, but all the other industries. There's so many people who are trying to get into them, and opportunities are less, and the pressure is always there when you get chance. And social media, I don't know if it. I mean, definitely, social media is the new thing, the new norm of our lives, and it must be creating pressure because social media is a powerful medium uh, of expressing yourself. So I guess it does affect a lot of the newcomers.
Okay. So I remember that your curly hair, many people loved it. That curly hair of yours. Whose idea was it?
Well, I always loved long hair. I've always been a fan of long hair, and I just never thought that it would make such an impact on audiences. People, I never, there are so many actors who've had long hair in the industry, but for some reason, Bobby Deol is the only one known for his long hair, and even till date, a lot of fans of mine keep telling me, "आप अपने बाल क्यों नहीं उगा लेते?" I said, "अभी वो वक्त अलग था, ये वक्त अलग है." अब और वैसे भी, long hair does not help you when you want to play different characters. Short hair can fit into any character, but long hair restricts you. So I think. So I basically now keep hair at a certain length.
Really? Wow. Okay. So would you like to have long hair again?
I remember the first time I cut my hair. Yes, I really missed my long hair. I love long hair. In the time of lockdown, I have not let my sons cut their hair. They all have long hair, and I just wanted to enjoy seeing my sons with long hair. And I've got that opportunity because thanks to Corona. And yes, I do miss my long hair. I love long hair, but I think after being in the industry for 25 years, I think it's time, to play different characters. So if I do need to play a character where I need long hair, I'll definitely grow my hair long.
Okay, just quick questions. The audience loved you pairing with Pretty Zinta. I love to. Would you like to reunite with her in a film again?
I would love to work with Preeti. I mean, I think she's more of a friend, not just my co-actor, and I think she has amazing energy and she has this amazing charm. And I think I wish I get a chance to do something which suits our age now and do something together. And I'm sure we'll get that opportunity in the future.
Okay, so your son Aryaman Deol is an internet sensation. Has he shown interest in films?
I want my son to study, and he's very interested in his studies. He's doing business management, and I think it's very important for every child to finish their education. So both my sons are studying, and I want them to have the knowledge to understand other professions and then have a choice to choose whatever they choose when they have to choose. So I think right now he's concentrating on his studies, and movies are a long time away right now from him.
No, that's more important. Absolutely, I agree with you. Okay, so my quick question again is what advice would you like to give him about Bollywood?
Every father gives their child advice. That's the normal way of being a father and a son, or a father and daughter relationship. And I just believe that I always, and no matter what profession you choose, just be true and humble.
Okay, so my next question is second last. You have worked with your family members in films, Dharamji or Sunny. Uh, is it bad? It is a better than working with others, or more? It is more challenging.
I think it's great fun working with your family. You get to spend more time together, and you get to know more each other in a different way. And I enjoy working with not just my family members, but definitely it is a different feel altogether. It's like you spending so much time, and it's just great. It's wonderful. I mean, I'm so blessed that my brother, my father, a part of this industry, and I'm a part of this industry, and it's amazing, you know. It doesn't happen in every family.
Last my question. I know you have to go to back to your shooting. So tell me, would you like to add anything else for your audience?
I just want to tell all my fans, I am so grateful for your love and affection, and it's your love that gives me the strength to go on in my career, and I'll always be thankful to you all, and I promise you that I'll keep trying to do the best I can as an actor and entertain you all.
So much. Thank you so much for giving me time and wishing you good luck. And Aryaman too. Love you.